To maximize the yield of heavy feeding garden crops and protect them from common diseases, a highly effective, low cost liquid fertilizer can be brewed using basic household staples and fermented organic matter. This three stages mixture combines immediate nutrient delivery, microbial activation, and antifungal protection into a single cohesive application.
The process begins by preparing a concentrated base. Measure 1.5 liters of clean, unchlorinated water into a small mixing vessel. Add approximately 10 tablespoons of brown sugar to the water, stirring vigorously until the crystals are entirely dissolved. The introduction of sucrose and molasses derivatives into the water serves a specific agronomy function. This sudden influx of food causes microbial populations to multiply rapidly. As these microorganisms thrive, they accelerate the decomposition of organic matter in the soil, converting unavailable minerals into chelated bioavailable nutrients that plant roots can immediately absorb. Once the sugar is completely integrated, the second phase involves adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the concentrate. It is imperative to use pure baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, rather than baking powder, which contains unwanted starches and acidifiers. Stir the baking soda until the solution is uniform. With the concentrate fully prepared, the final dilution process can begin. Fill a large utility container with 10 liters of clean water. Pour the sugar and baking soda solution directly into this large volume of water, stirring briefly to distribute the concentrates evenly. To transform this solution into a complete fertilizer, add 3 liters of homemade wheat tea to the large container. Utilizing fermented weeds leverages the deep tap roots of wild plants, which pull up valuable trace minerals, nitrogen, potassium, and micronutrients from deep within the subsoil. Incorporating this nutrient-dense liquid completes the brew, resulting in a balanced living fertilizer. The wheat tea supplies the core macro and micronutrients. The brown sugar drives the microbial activity necessary to process those nutrients, and the baking soda establishes a defensive barrier against disease. This solution can be applied to the garden using 2 distinct methods, depending on the immediate needs of the cultivation space. The first application method is direct soil drenching. Pouring the mixture directly onto the soil around the root zone delivers immediate hydration, introduces the sugar-fed microbes directly to the rhizosphere, and allows the root system to draw up the dissolved nutrients efficiently. This method is highly recommended for routine maintenance and long-term soil structure improvement. The second application method is foliar spraying. After straining the liquid through a fine mesh or cloth to remove any remaining particulate matter, pour the fertilizer into a standard garden sprayer. Coat the upper and lower surfaces of the plant leaves thoroughly during the early morning hours or late evening when the sun is low. Foliar feeding allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the stomata for a rapid health boost, while leaving behind a thin, protective residue of baking soda that actively prevents fungal spores from settling on the foliage. Consistent use of this dual-action brew optimizes plant vitality and minimizes disease pressure naturally.